Welcome to the Professional Sunday League. We have a fast attack. Sunday League at its finest. Mohamed Salah from Timu on the move. Sunday League Liverpool is cooking. Tam, they even have Darwin Núñez.
Unknown player going for a solo play. Bro thinks he's him. Damn, he might actually be him. Never mind.
Darwin Núñez has made the run. He's been found as well. It's Darwin Núñez for Liverpool. Oh, he's at the post.
This guy said he's going to score. Let's see it then. Oh, almost had it. Goalkeeper had to make sure.